First line, anak, ha? You finish the first line. Come on. Open mo, open. Slowly lang, slowly. Your color starts with letter. What letter is this? A. And this is a? And this is a?
B.
No. Ant. And this is a? Anchor. And this one is? And this one is? Airplane. You think ball starts with letter A? No. Say no, anak. How about the fish? It starts with letter A? No. How about the house? It starts with letter A? Yes or no? No. Good job. You connect the mother and the baby. The mother animals and baby animals. So, you need to look for the duck baby. We call that a duckling. Oh, where is the baby duck here? D. Oh, connect the duck to letter D, which is the duckling. Come on. Oh, mommy will guide you. Look at this duck. Ryan, look at this duck. Oh, connect mo. Here. Connect it here. Oh, connect it here. Oh, hold mo. Good job. How about the sheep? Look for the baby of the sheep.
Sheep.
We call it lamb. Oh, where is the lamb?
Yep.
Oh, connect mo. Oops. Ayusin mo yung connect mo. Do it straight. Wag pa SSS. Ganito. Oh, look at mami. Oh, hold it. Oh, hold it. Ganon. Yung turo ni mami. Oh, tingnan mo itong kamay mo. Look. Ganyan lang. Oh, straight line. That is lamb. That is the baby. Oh, look for the chicken. Baby. Where is the chick? Oh. Where is the chicken baby that you call chick? Oh, where? Where is the baby chicken? Where? Look here, anak. Look here. Oh, connect. Is this one the chick? Or this one? Oh, yan pala eh. Oh, connect it to the mother. Here. No, that's the kitten. Here, chick. Oh, connect it to the chicken. How about the pig?
Pig.
The baby pig is a piglet. Oh, connect the pig to piglet. Where's the small pig? Oh, look. Where's the small pig here? Look at mommy's finger. Is this what? Is this the piglet?
Pig.
Look at mommy's finger, not the camera, anak. Is this the piglet?
Pig.
Here, anak. Is this the piglet?
Pig.
Oh, piglet.
Pig.
Oh, connect the piglet to the mother. The pig. Do not color. Draw a line lang. Oh, here. Straight line here. Good job. How about the cat? Where is the baby of the cat? Where is the small cat here? That is kitten, anak. Where? Oh, sige, connect mo. Cat to kitten. Good job. Say it, kitten. Oh, that's the baby, ah. How about the dog?
Dog.
Oh, where is the baby of the dog? We call it puppy.
Puppy.
Oh, where's the puppy here?
Puppy.
Oh, connect mo. Oh, good job. Natatapos mo pala nang di umiiyak eh. Say good job. Oh, again, let's review, ah. The mother duck and the duckling. Come on. Say it muna, anak. Duck. Duckling. This is the duckling. See, it's really small. Sheep and lamb. Chicken and chick. Louder, anak. Pig and piglet. Look at mommy's hand. Look at mommy's hand. I want you to see the picture muna, anak. Pig. Piglet. Piglet. Dog. Puppy. Look at the puppy. Look at the puppy. I want you to look at the puppy, anak. Okay. This is the lamb. Puppy. Duckling. Kitten. Chick. Piglet. Okay? Okay.